Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox the mini DC UPS router UPS. It's the HiTech company. So let's box this one. It's for the backup for the UPS, and there will be no power. We'll provide the power for the router without turning off the router. It's from the HiTech company brand. It has a 8800 mAh built-in battery. It's portable, says PoE port, 15 volt, 24 volt selectable, and DC output 9 volt, 12 volt selectable. Can be used in CCTV, LEDs, cameras, smart devices, and router as well. But I am going to use it for the router. Here is the product description. It says 1 year warranty, but the seller only gave me a 3-month warranty. So let's unbox this. How's the packaging? Let's see. This is the cable, I think. We'll go to the router power cable. This is for the powering up this backup UPS. There's a manual for this warranty card. Guarantee card. That's a warranty card. This is the manual. There are many ports here. We have to read the manual before setting it up. Here is the router itself. Let's unpack it. This is HiTech. Wow, it's already okay. I need the latch, I think. Don't think it's really good. Sticker is also, see, sticker is already have come out. Hope it does work. Here are all the ports available. It's the LAN port. I don't know. This is your LAN port. 12 and 15 volt select, PoE output selector for 12 volt. There is the input for the power. Let's hope this works. Now let's try this in our router. This is my router, Nokia router. Doesn't have any cable plugged in for the power. So we are gonna power this router with this UPS. Hope it works. And I already connected this output cable. This supports up to 2 input cable, or more, I mean 2 routers, and there is the power cable, but I haven't plugged it in. So it's unplugged. So here is the charging indicator. You see it. Here's the power button. Here the USB. You can charge your mobile phone from here, mobile devices, and it supports up to 5 volt maximum. Then at the back we have the voltage selector. We are using the 12 volt for now because this router supports 12 volt as I see in its adapter. So let's plug this to the router and see if it works. It's a bit loose, I think. Then click. Try this one. It's the same. Okay, I've connected it. That is now power because I haven't power up this UPS. So let's power up this UPS. Yeah, it's powered on now. Let's see our router. So its power is coming. Let's see. Supports it. It's the internet catching is a bit lit, I think. Still powering on. It takes a bit of time before powering on the lights. Let's see it. And now the hot kit is blinking. Now it's linking to the IPS. And our end is blinking as well, 2.4 and 5G. We need to have internet. Yeah, internet light is blinking as well. When it's stable, we will get the internet. So as far as I can tell, this is working fine. The claimed hour backup is like 7 to 8 hours, but I don't think it will last 7-8 hours. Hopefully max 5 hours, then it will be good. that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.